Smith-Robertson Museum started in 1869. A gentleman by the name of James Lynch made a statement that changed the lives of African American students. He stated that no more educational funds would be given out unless all children are educated. The first class started in a small fire engine house with 7 children sitting on the floor learning the 3 R's that we call reading, writing, and arithmetic. And that started a multitude of children coming in, and they had to find different locations. They opened the basements of different churches in the community until they found land right here where we are today at 528 Bloom Street. The school stayed until about January 1909. When they got to school that morning, it was January the 3rd to be exact, they got to school that morning and the school had been burnt down. The Clarion Ledger stated, that's the local newspaper here, that it was allegedly arson, and the school was rebuilt with brick and mortar in 9 months. The school closed in 1971 because of integration. Children were being bused to different schools in the community and the enrollment went down. And after that, the school stayed abandoned for at least about 8, 9, or 10 years. The community was told that the school was going to be bulldozed down by the city. So a little lady by the name of Jessie B. Mosley was able to get this facility for $1. And we have a wonderful quilt collection here at Smith-Robertson. We also have the only exhibit next to an exhibit at the Smithsonian, which is called The Great Migration, which is the exodus of African Americans from Mississippi and from the South when they went to the North. We have those who stayed in Mississippi because we want to show the life of African Americans who decided to stay here, who didn't decide to go to the North. And we show life and how people lived, even with a wagon in the back, even with the old Model T Ford Rolls Royce that we have here at Smith-Robertson Museum and Culture Center. So we use Smith-Robertson as an educational tool, as a showplace of the life and times of an African American in the state of Mississippi.